Welcome back to Sports Games and Cards, where apparently I open basketball cards now. I have not only one mini box, but we have two to open today. Hoping to find some good rookies, maybe an autograph, maybe a relic. That would all be fun. If you know anything about me, though, you know that I'm all about the base cards. I'm not so much into the inserts. I would much rather have good base cards, or I'd rather have the full base card set and not get any inserts, believe it or not. So there's one box. Without any fingernails, apparently I'm not good enough to do the plastic here. Need to get myself a good X-Acto knife or something for this. All right. All right, so it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs in each of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's a lot of air. There is a lot of air in these packs. I'll move it to the side here. But it's always fun to get some decent inserts. Again, I'm going to start off by saying that my knowledge of basketball is not as high, is not as good as my knowledge of baseball, so I'm going to get a lot of these names wrong. Isaiah Hartenstein, I think I can do that. Looks like we have the Spurs checklist. Kristaps Porzingis, Terrence Shannon Jr., we have Obi Toppin, Grayson Allen, Tyrese Halliburton, Kevin Durant. We have Igor Demin in the, I believe these are 90 and 80 tops. We have a Generation Now, Jeremiah Fears. We have Bam Adebayo, kind of like the basketball, the net design, and then we're going to end the first pack with Colin Murray Boyles. I cannot believe how much air is in these packs. Oh, we got Sunshine in LA. We got the Lakers checklist. Benedict Mathurin. Bradley Beal. Cole Anthony, Pure Magic, Paulo and Suggs Sizzle, R.J. Barrett, James Harden, Mikal Bridges. We have Tamani Kamara, an 8-bit of Trey Johnson III, and one of the net basketball variants of the aforementioned Trey Johnson III. We'll end this pack with Max Christie. Evan Mobley, DeJounte Murray, LaMelo Ball, Jabari Smith Jr., got the Jalen Brunson, DeAndre Ayton, Drew Holiday, Leguns Dort, and Kasparis Yakachonis, Kawhi Leonard, Power Players, CJ McCollum, and Jamie Jaquez Jr. You can see our insert stacks starting to stack up. Trae Young starts our fourth pack. Brandon Williams. We got Pascal Siakam, Zach LaVine. Here's the Rockets checklist. Jalen Duren, Austin Reeves, Damian Lillard, Ben Saraf, Ron Holland II. We got Carter Bryant and Jamal Murray. At least we're not seeing the same, I shouldn't say this out loud. We're not seeing the same players over and over again. Like some of the other times that I've opened these packs. Max Struss, Jordan Hawkins, Bub Carrington. We got the Bulls, Jalen Pickett, Devin Carter, Onyenka Okengwu, Alan Thompson, Nick Smith Jr., Generation Now of Nick Clifford. We have Nick's Claxon, which is backwards. Does that mean it's a variant? Well, it's the sparkly one. It's not a big one. And then we have this incoming new Mavs Duo Shines. Still hoping to find the base card of Cooper Flag. The Protect the Home Court, Wolves bring energy. D'Angelo Russell, Chet Holmgren, Grizzlies team card. John Morant, Darius Garland, Yves Missi. We have Anthony Black. Here's Cam Jones, Ace Bailey, 8-bit baller, and out of 2025, Donovan Mitchell, number 1275 of 2025. They always have the year for the golds. Yannick Conan Niederhauser will finish off that pack, and this will be the last pack of that first box that I opened. So this is the end of the first half. I do like this shot. OG Anunoby, Denny Avdija, Jonathan Mogbo, Quentin Post, Ron Holland II, Jeremy Choshan with his bubblegum pink hair, Malik Coulibaly. Here's the Philadelphia team. Nikola Jokic, Clutch City, Colin Murray Boyles, Nick Smith Jr., and Maxime Reynaud will end off the first half for us today. All right, box number 2. Jabari Smith Jr., Trae Young, here come the doubles again, Brandon Williams, Pascal Siakam, Zach LaVine, Franz Wagner, Chris Paul, Alex Sarr, the Raptors Shine. Here we go. Here's a Cooper Flag, Clutch City Prospects. Got the same one back there. Moses Moody and Ben Sharaf. I mean, you can see I pretty much have the whole set of the Cooper Flag inserts. I just cannot get the base card. Max Struss, Jordan Hawkins, Bub Carrington. We got some more dupes coming in here. The Bulls team card, Christian Braun, and the Hawks team card. We got Obi Toppin, Grayson Allen. Here's Johnny Broom. There's 8-bit of the Jimmy Butler. Domantas Sabonis and Elijah Martin. Jalen Pickett. The Wolves are bringing more energy. D'Angelo Russell, Chet Holmgren. Sorry, we're going a little fast here. We've seen pretty much all of these. More Grizzly team card. Tyrese Halliburton, Kevin Durant, R.J. Barrett, James Harden. Generation Now of Carter Bryan. We have John Morant. This is the basketball variant. And G.G. Jackson II. We got 4 more packs. There's OG again. Still a nice shot, though. Denny Avdija, Jonathan Mogbo, Quentin Prost, Mikal Bridges, Tamani Kamara, Jalen Brunson, and DeAndre Ayton. We have Micah Peavy, Kevin Durant, Thomas Sorber, And Rick Barry. I think this is our first classic player card we've gotten so far. The last couple packs I've opened, they were just all classic players. Here we got Ronnie Holland, Bronny James Jr., Brooke Lopez of the Bucks, Kyrie Irving. These are all new ones. Until we get to Drew Holiday. Then we got Mr. Dort again. We got the what is that? The Rockets team card. Jalen Duren, Noah Penda in the 80 version. Ray Allen 8-Bit Ballers. And then out of 25, we have Brandon Ingram. That's number 40 of 2025. And our second classic player will have Spud Webb. All right, 2 packs to go. Still looking for that Kipper Flag card. Miles Bridges, Tari Eason, Donovan Michael, Trey Murphy III, Wendell Carter Jr., Austin Reeves, Damian Lillard. We got the side cards today. Devin Carter in this pack. Onyeka Okongwu, Jordan Hawkins, Nick Smith Jr., and Will Riley. That was not a good pack for inserts. We just had the net variant that you find in the single packs. All right, last pack magic. Here we go. Keldon Johnson, Russell Westbrook, the Heat team card. We got Julius Randle, Amen Thompson, Nick Smith Jr., Ja Morant, Darius Garland, Young Hansen, 80s card. We've got Jeremiah Fears. Now this is you can see the difference here between the 8-Bit Ballers and the shiny version of the 8-Bit Ballers there. Amen Thompson, and our last card is going to be Jon Berenger. Oh, I almost put that there. That's actually an insert. It's the net variant. So there we go. We did get one Cooper. It's the Clutch City insert card. Other than that, here's a kind of a taste of our inserts. Just the normal stuff, nothing super rare, super awesome there, but inserts are inserts, right? Once again, I've been Sports Games and Cards. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.